This video is about instructions you need to know before using Eroxon. Eroxon is a clinically proven gel treatment for adult men, aged 18 years and over, with erectile dysfunction, also known as impotence. Eroxon stimulates blood flow in the penis through a unique physical cooling then warming effect, helping you get and keep an erection hard enough for sex. Eroxon will only help you to get an erection if you are sexually stimulated. How to use Eroxon? Eroxon is supplied in a single-dose tube. When to use: apply the gel just before sex. How much to apply: apply the contents of one tube to the head of your penis. How to apply: massage the gel onto the head of your penis for about 15 seconds. You can apply the gel yourself or your partner can apply the gel as part of foreplay. Eroxon will only help you get an erection if you are sexually aroused. You and your partner should engage in foreplay just as you would if you were not using a treatment for erectile dysfunction. Do not use Eroxon if one or more of the following. You are allergic to any of the ingredients. You have been advised by your doctor to avoid sexual activity. You have any disease or deformity of your penis. The skin on your penis is red or sore, or appears damaged or broken. Warnings and precautions: sexual activity can put extra strain on your heart. If you have a heart problem or think you might have a heart problem, you should speak to your doctor. For most men, Eroxon will work on their first or second attempt. If it has been some time since you were able to get or keep an erection, it may take a few attempts before you achieve the desired effect. Eroxon is not a contraceptive and contains no spermicidal ingredients. It does not protect against sexually transmitted infections, STIs. Eroxon is only compatible with latex condoms. Eroxon is not a lubricant. However, it is safe to use Eroxon with personal lubricants. Possible side effects: rarely. Using Eroxon can cause skin irritation, feelings of burning, itching, or soreness. Stop using Eroxon if you or your partner experience any irritation. Check the expiry date on the tube before use. The expiry date refers to the last day of that month. If the tube is damaged, do not use it. Thanks for watching. Subscribe.